So welcome to another video, and as I said before, today I'm gonna talk about my new daily car. And as you can see, it's Subaru Legacy 2 liter 85 kilowatts, and well, it's gonna be my daily car, my winter beater. And so first of all, I thought I'm gonna need lift kit, I will need big tires to go off-roading. But after I tested out with those small 14 inches wheels, I thought that off-road and drifting is kind of same. You don't need big mods. If you wanna have some fun, you just need to go really hard. So first of all, and first really easy modification to get your car a bit higher is to get bigger tires and bigger wheels. So I'm gonna take off those shitty 14 inches wheels with almost no tires, and I'm gonna put 15 inches wheels with new tires. Well, those tires, as you can see, are used ones, but it's gonna be okay for winter. So here you can see I bought original 15 inches wheels. Okay, so let's start working because it's getting dark really fast, so we don't have much time. Fuck. Go ahead. Maybe let's change tires first. Yeah, that's a good idea. So as you can see, one tire is done. You're gonna see the difference for sure. So I hope we don't gonna have some problems with clearance. I hope it will fit because it's way bigger. It's way bigger. Okay. So here we can compare two different wheels. So before we had 185, 65, 14 inches small wheels. They are off, and now we have new 15. Oops. And now we have new 15 inches, and it is 205 70 by 15. Well, it looks okay. So for now it looks like we're gonna be good. We have some clearance on the strut. So yeah, all that's left is to put all four wheels, and we're good to go. We're gonna do some off-road today. Today my friend's gonna join us with Suzuki Vitara, and with that car we're gonna go to Africa. So we're gonna do some testing for Suzuki as well. So as I can see in the rear, we have a small problem. Wheel is touching side skirt, but I think maybe it's because that side skirt is all rusted, so maybe it's bent a bit back. How to fix it? Really easy. Yeah, it looks very nice. So it's good. We have some clearance right now. Boom, magic. Okay, so it's done. It has a lot of clearance from the ground. So no more talking. Let's go off-roading. Okay, so I made a mistake. I tried a big jump and oh shit, whew, I'm stuck.
Ponas, jūs čia kažkaip su savo transporto
Galvojau, kad prašoksiu.
O kam tos trosas buvo, mes šitą ištempsim?
Jo. Arba atgal nustumkim. Gal išeitų atgal nustumkim.
Gerai, tvarkoj.
Palauk, davai, važiuoju ir į galą nukiam.
Ką juokauji? Blet, jie apipolė.
Davai, atgal. Reikia prašokti.
Arba aplinkui važiuok. Tai aš važiuok, gal jo.
Pista mašina.
Nice. Ką, gerai, kol kas Suzuki geriau.
1-0. 1-0 Suzuki laimi.
So we're gonna drive this car to Africa. So it looks like it's gonna be better choice than Subaru.
Okay, let's go.
Kur vandam?
Toliau važiuojam.
Nu gerai, šok man čia.
Easy.
Šiaip nuvažiuosim, manau. Nu jo, kad su mocais net važiuotų.
Nuvažiuosim.
Važiuojam. Palatai, aš jūs galiu paleisti, pažiūrėti. Nu gerai, važiuojam, važiuojam dalikaną.
Filmuot? Nu čia per kamerą netai baisu.
Gal tau iš apačios nefilmuoji, nes jis tikrai aukštas.
Na, aš nenoriu.
Ai, baisu.
Nu palauk, nu gerai, nueinu į apačią.
Žem, čia nenuvirsiu.
Ne. Gyvai daug baisiau atrodo. Jeigu realiai, tai nemanau, kad jisai čia sveikas nuvažiuos. Valia, gal čia man trauk. So. Opa! O ne.
Viduj baisiau atrodo. Bet dabar atsargiai, o. Jo, reikia vairą kontroliuoti. Nice. Gonna try another route. Va čia toks įdomesnis gal. Varyk. Pasivys. Nu kaip? Ne, čia pro kairę galima iš tikrųjų važiuoti. Nebent ten pažiūrėt kaip užkopti patį viršų. Nes su šito tai turėtumėte važiuoti.
Nu baigti ten bliam pačiam kajam.
Gal net aš su Subariku, žinok, važiuočiau. Nu jo, čia pats galas toks durnas. Ką apie Suzuki, kokie komentarai?
Geras.
Super mašina, ta prasme. Pats tas. Tikrai prieš tai turėjau patirties su rusiška technika, su Niva, tai 10 kart geriau.
Suzukis
Tikrai 10 kart geriau. Pravažumas super, interjeras puikus.
Kiek nori?
Viskas veikia.
Man atrodo, man sanka bavelė.
Tau tik taip atrodo.
So it's getting really late now, but we're gonna try one more spot for today. It's really close, so let's go. Kažkas tau, kad šiaip susijungtų gal tie spotai. Gal pabandom į viršų? Į viršų, ne? Okay, so now the challenge is to go to the top. Let's go. Slowly but going up. Kas yra? Kas yra?
Motoras prisilpnas.
Negali būti. Kiek kilovatų?
7, bet
Pas mane 8,5. O tu kelintų
Antras.
bėgi važiuoji?
antras ne ir pirmas dūsta.
Bet tai kas, Subaru vieną tašką gauna?
Pala,
Ne, bet tu su palėtintu įvažiuoji. Tai vat palėtinta jungtis. Ir tada užteks galios. Jo, jo. Padusau, žinok, bėgiot. Galim dar kartą nusileist. Ir čia vat yra dar po kairę vienas kalniukas užkilt. Yeah, come on, come on. Woo! Yeah. Whew. I think that's all for today. I'm real tired and I still need to get ready my E46 for sale. Nu, aš prieš tai važiavau į aną kalną antru, su palėtintu, po to įsijungi ką pirmą. Geriau gavus.
Mano?
Šiaip neatrodo baisiai kažkaip šiandien. Nope. So I almost made it. As you can see, it's not far away from the top. So actually I had no time to film what I was doing, but as I said, tomorrow the new owner of this car is coming to take it away from me. So yes, my E46 is sold. As you can see, I took off my seats and harness because that's what our deal was about. As well, I changed front wheels and rear wheels. I think all other stuff gonna stay here. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're still watching this video, please subscribe to my channel, click that bell for notification, and thank you for tuning in. Let's go back to the workshop. Yeah.
Coming from the hood, the D boys are the